Oh boy, I bet you don't know this. Do you know that HTML IDs are used to allow readers to jump to a specific part of a web page? Bookmark can be used if your web page is very long. To make a bookmark, you must first create the bookmark and then add a link to it. When the link is clicked, the page will scroll down to the location with the bookmark. Wow, let me show you how you can do that. So here we are in our HTML. Let's come into the body and let's type. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this text with the code, then I'm just going to paste it over and over again, then make some little changes. This is all we need to show how the bookmark works. So I'm going to remove this. Then I'm going to put an ID into here. Okay, so I want to make this part different so that when we click on it and it comes down here, we're able to know that this is it. Okay, let's move all the way up. We don't really need the link tag here, the anchor here. But because I copied it over and over again, we can just leave it. So pressing this undoes all what we have cleaned or whatever removed. Okay, so this is it. So now let's test it. So it's as simple as one, we have an anchor tag, and in an anchor tag we have this. This is the name that we want to use. The hashtag is very important, but the name that I use, page, can be changed to any other names to have a number with it too. But we're just going to leave it as page. Okay, so once we have an anchor tag here, just like this, all we need is next is the ID on the part we want, where we want the person to come to once they click on that anchor tag. So this is the ID and we have the name, page. So this is where we want the person to come to a particular section in the same page, web page. So let's go here and click here. So this is it right now. The page is opened up. So once it's opened up, let's go ahead and click this first one, this section of page, the first one. Once we clicked it, you notice our page moved up. Let's come back up, click on it again. It moved up. Now this is not the only thing you can do with it. It's not just about moving to a particular section in your page. You can also move to a particular section in another page too, and that's really cool. Seriously, I'm going to show you that in my next video. Keep watching guys and follow me for more tips and tricks like this. Bye.